Hey everybody, this is going to be how you join my Discord channel. My Discord, it is stockmarketjimmy.com. Just go to stockmarketjimmy.com and you will see this website and just scroll down, okay? And this is the join the Discord membership. Guys, right now it's only $5 a month. That is an absolute steal. You're going to be able to see every single stock that I buy, every single stock that I sell. You're going to be able to chat with all the members. You can chat with me. And you basically just, it's super organized, guys. Super organized. And you're actually going to see exactly how it works because I'm about to take you into the Discord so you can see how it's laid out and how you use it, okay? Now, right now, it's only $5 a month. Here's the good news. Anybody that joins and gets it for $5, your price is going to be locked in. So when I increase it to $20 per month, it's going to end up being $20, but it will not affect the people that got in for $5. $5 is just because it's brand new, and once it gets a certain amount of people in there, it's going to 20. It will not affect you if you get in for $5. It will stay at $5. That's the way I set the system up, okay? All you got to do is hit this little button. It says join right here, this little button. Join the Discord. You hit that button and boom, it brings you right to the checkout for $5. Like once you lock that in, you're good to go. All right, click that button, set it all up. You will be go to discord.com and set up a Discord free account because you do need a username. And once you join and you have a username, you have to go ahead and activate the stock market Jimmy VIP member server. You just hit activate, and that's a one-time thing. And then boom, you're right into the Discord. So I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly now what it's like to get into the Discord so you can see exactly how it works. Hey, good morning, everybody. This is the Discord. So I'll give you guys a quick review of how this works, okay? Now, I normally keep this whole screen black, but I have it all white right now so it doesn't, the reflection doesn't go off of the camera. So when you come in, this would all be dark, and it's a lot easier to read when it's dark. So anyway, we'll try to, hopefully you can see it well with the camera. But anyway, this is how it works, okay? So for just $5, you can join this Stock Market Jimmy VIP members, and it is really awesome. It's really organized, and it will help you guys tremendously, okay? Now, so for example, this price that you're getting for $5 is not gonna last. But here's the good news. For everybody that joins when it's only $5, you actually get that price for as long as you stay a member. It will not, when I raise the price, it will not affect you. You would be grandfathered into that price. Now the price is going to go to 20, so I recommend that you get in for the $5. All right, now how it works is like this, okay? I set it up so when you first join, you're going to activate the server, okay? It's only a one-time thing that you need to do that. Once you join, it's going to say connect to the server. It's the Stock Market Jimmy VIP member. So once you get into the group, it'll let me know, hey, you have a new user, and I'll be able to wave hi to you, and you can wave hi to me. Now you do get when you're a part of this membership, you get to chat with everybody in here. You can chat with me, you can chat with anybody. So here's how it works. When you first come in, you hit this where it says start here, and this just gives you information about the room. Like, okay, so it lets you know this is a disclaimer. So this is just going to be a one-time disclaimer that you look at. And then this one's very important. This is Daily Outlook. This is called Daily Outlook. Now, in Daily Outlook, you cannot chat in that. That's just for me to post every single morning before the market opens. I give you all of the information that I'm looking out for today. I give you all the news, everything that you need to know. Okay. The stock chat, you would click on stock chat. This is going to give you all of different stocks from charts and things like that. Let's see if there's any charts. See, like I'll mention a stock. I'll be like, hey, watch this stock if it hits this price and all that. Okay. Now, as a member, you also will get now on the stock chat. You can chat in here. Okay, you can comment. You can say, hey, I like this stock. You can do whatever you want. Okay. Now you have another one called Jimmy Alerts. This is the biggest, most important thing for you as a member. You're not allowed to chat in this area. This is strictly for me sending every member an alert of when I buy and when I sell. So if something is in here, it's not me saying, hey, look at this stock. It's saying, hey, I just bought this stock. Here's why. Here's the price that I paid. Here's how many shares that I have. And then if I sell it, boom, you'll get another Jimmy alert. So this alerts you on buys and sells of what I actually am doing. So that's really important for you guys. So I'll give you an example. The other day, it's posted right here. Okay, bear with me. Right here, I said, I just said, I said right here, alert. Just bought QUBT at 811 entry 616 shares will add if it hits 750. Okay, and I went on to explain why I bought it. Okay, well, this ended up going all the way up almost $1 in that day. Now, one of the members jumped on the stock when I did. As soon as he saw my alert, he went in there and bought it. Okay, and so, guys, you're talking $5 a month. Well, he made over $300 that day just buying that stock. Okay, so that's why my price is going to easily go to $20, if not more, in the future. But right now, I'm just doing a special for you to get in, for you to, you can really learn a lot from this. Okay, now we also have, now also keep in mind that there's no one can force you what to buy. Just because I buy something does not mean that you have to do that. You do exactly what you want to do. It's your money. This is just what I'm doing. Okay, so for disclosure purposes, trading doesn't always work. Like, I'm very experienced and I know exactly what I'm doing, but there's always risk involved. Okay, so I have to disclose that to you, and you're under no obligation to do what I'm doing. All right, so I also have this category over here. It's called Big Tech. Okay, and under Big Tech, I break down each particular room for you to get in there and chat about. So Amazon, Meta, Microsoft, Google, Nvidia, AMD, those are big name stocks. So they actually have their own room, and it's labeled under the category Big Tech. Okay, so I have everything super organized. So in other words, is if you wanted to talk about one of these big companies, you would go into this area instead of going into the stock chat. Okay, now you could go in stock chat and talk about it. It's not a big deal because stock chat is for talking about stocks. But if you wanted to keep it organized, just remember that we have a folder for each one and a chat room for each one. Okay, also we have what's called Day Trader. Day Trader right here. This, if you click on this, this will open up, and I'll basically say, hey, these are the stocks that I am looking to day trade today because I expect this particular stock to do this today. So this would give you, it's not an alert, it's not a Jimmy alert because it's not telling you that I jumped in. Only the Jimmy alert will tell you that. But the day trader is just giving you a heads up, hey, these particular stocks could be a great stock to day trade today if they do this. So a lot of you guys, some of you guys that want to do day trading, you might be spending more of your time in this particular chat room. Okay. Now, swing trading is more what I do, but I do day trades sometimes as well. All right. We also have crypto, and that's the category is crypto. And we have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, ADA, Chainlink, and AVAX. We also have our metals. It's under Star Forged Metals, gold, silver, and copper. Okay, so we have categories for every single thing. Everything's super organized. You can add friends. Like if you have a couple of friends in the group, you can add them as your friend. It's easy for me to communicate with everybody. I can click a button and I can see everybody that's in there, and I can send anybody a message. And it's just really cool, guys. So go ahead and support the channel. Get in there, start learning, start having some fun with it, and I appreciate your time on it. And how do you join? Well, you simply go to stockmarketjimmy.com, and on there you'll see join Discord. You click it, it'll bring you right to the checkout. You simply check out, and now it will tell you to make sure you go to Discord. You got to go to discord.com, and you do want to set up a free account. They don't charge you anything, but you do need a username. So you do have to get and set up a Discord account so you have a username. And then, of course, once you have a username, you'll connect to the server that you want. And like I said, that's a one-time activation that you'll say, okay, once you pay for your membership, it's going to automatically say and ask you, hey, do you want to connect? And you have to activate it. So once you click activate, then you're allowed to actually enter the server. And you will always be available where you can either stay logged in or you can sign in every day, however you want to do it. Okay? All right, guys, I look forward to seeing you join the group. And thank you for your time. And I hope that that's something that you want to do.